Oh, hi guys. My name is Siri Toilet, and today I'm unboxing all of my presents that I got from my older brother. First one, donkey, pop figure, donkey. Alrighty. What else did we got? Rainbow Friends. I've got the blue. Boy. Here's the next one. The next one, which one he has? No, it's me, Mario. More like it's me, a figure toy. Alrighty, I guess first one I should check out is this blue plush. Let's start off with blue. Bluey. Well, I don't have a dog, so I guess this one will be it. Yeah. Green. Yeah, bro needs to wear glasses. Okay, so yeah. Now we don't need these, so let's get these out of here. Alrighty, ready? The first one, let's just check out Donkey Shrek. Pretty sure I already know where he is from. So this chair. So these two. Okay guys, so here is the donkey figure. Here, it's from a movie called Shrek. I hope Shrek 5 comes out. So it does. I'm donkey.